I would say we are well overdue a new video on the construction work taking place at Barnett Tech Park. Our last video was on October 24th last year. So as I said, we are well overdue a follow-up. This is episode 24 of my Developments in Montego Bay series. If you want to have a look at the full playlist, I will have it linked in the description box below. Let's start with a brief reminder of how it looked before. And this is how it looks now. This is a lot of work. That's a plaza?
Yes.
Or is it the other structure behind?
No, the one behind it would be a car center.
Oh. So behind it is a call center, and what's being constructed now is going to be the plaza. So that's it. Nice. Okay. Over there is JPS. I'm not sure. Over here is a car park, and I think they have a taxi park there as well. Click this next video to see my previous visit where I walked out the entire park. See you in the next one, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and share before you go. Thanks for watching. Bye. There's a runway over here.